Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video on reproducing this bunch of grapes, and then I started thinking if somebody wanted to do it with a color printer or like on a t-shirt, it'd be very easy to do it also. If you didn't watch that first video, you might want to watch it. But so draw you an ellipse. It doesn't really matter what the shape is. Let's make it that dark purple of the grape. Let's go to Interactive Fill Tool. And then pick right here, fountain fill. And then you can pick right here to an optical. And then you can kind of change it and kind of give it a different look. And then you could actually take a different color and put it in here and give it a totally different look. And then I would suggest doing 4 or 5 of them. And then just like we did yesterday, pick your attribute eyedropper, pick that one and fill in that one right there. And then fill in that one right there. And then maybe go back to your pick tool, take your attribute eyedropper, maybe pick this one, and then do a totally different little shade. And you could play around with the colors quite a bit, but you kind of need to go back and forth to the pick tool to get it to change. And let's pick that one right there and then put it there. So you get a totally different look. Do a couple more here and call it done. Now, just like in yesterday's video, and you would probably want to make them darker, but you can make the vine green and even play around with that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.